Welcome to Toon Tracks Racing. I am your host, Chris.
And I am Jason.
Today we feature an exhibition match between Mercedes-Benz and Dodge. And here are your lineups that will comprise Team Mercedes and Team Dodge. The format will be simple. Each of the cars for each team will go against its counterpart in a 5-race format, and the team with the most wins will walk away with the victory. Let's head down to Toon Track Speedway and take a look at the first cars going up in race 1. Going first for Mercedes, we have the Mercedes AMG GT3
And yellow.
and he will be going up against
The Dodge Viper. The first match.
and the teams are set for this drag race tournament. They're revving their engines, and there they go. And the Dodge Viper took the early lead, and he will secure the first win for Team Dodge as they go up 1-0 over Mercedes.
Great job for the Viper.
Very true, Jason, as it is very important for Dodge not to fall behind Mercedes in this 5-race series. So the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR puts Dodge up 1-0 over Mercedes. For race 2, we have the 2016 Mercedes AMG GT,
ID car.
and he will be going up against the 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT.
And we are set.
Both cars are at the starting lineup, getting ready, and there they go. And the Mercedes jumps out front, and he will even up the series at 1 apiece. And it was crucial for Mercedes not to fall too far behind, as this win knots it up at 1 race apiece. Looking at the replay, you can see the Mercedes ID car completely annihilates the Dodge Challenger. So the next matchup is the 2016 Mercedes AMG GT3 in powder blue going up against the formidable Dodge Challenger drift car.
Match 3.
And obviously, the winner of this match will put their team ahead, and it looks like it's going to be Dodge as the Dodge Challenger drift car leaves the Mercedes AMG in his smoke. And Dodge now takes the lead 2-1.
He was fast.
Very fast. And I think he was the fastest car today so far, as Team Dodge is now looking good, up 2-1 as we go into match 4. So for Mercedes, we have the charcoal 2016 Mercedes AMG GT3, and his opponent will be the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. The cars are lined up for match 4. Engines are revving and ready to go. And there they go, neck and neck, and it looks like the Mercedes had the lead, but then gets overtaken by the Dodge Demon, and he now puts Team Dodge up by 2. This race has already secured a victory for Team Dodge, but Mercedes still has a chance to save some face to see if they can win next match to make this just a little bit closer.
He barely won.
Yeah, you're not going to get much closer than that, as the Dodge Demon does what he had to do, and Dodge is leading Mercedes now 3-1. So now for the last match, we have yet another 2016 Mercedes AMG GT3 in blue, and he will be going up against the iconic 1970 Dodge Charger RT from the Fast and Furious, driven by Dom Toretto. He is living his life 1/4 mile at a time. And there they go, the last match of the day, and the Mercedes pulls out ahead, and he grabs the win, and Dom Toretto is not happy with that result. But nevertheless, Team Dodge will pull out the victory with that 3-2 final score. But Mercedes does manage to save a little face, as they only lose by 1. But nevertheless, Team Dodge comes out victorious. And let's take a look at that winning car, the Mercedes AMG GT3 in blue. That was an impressive win over Dom Toretto. And we hope you enjoyed this quick exhibition series here at Toon Track Speedway as Team Dodge has defeated Mercedes 3-2. We hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and we will
See you at the track. Take care.